Population forecasting. What is mean by population forecasting? First of all, the definition of population forecasting is defined as determining the expected population for a particular design period of a water supply system with the help of study and event. Calculation or the prediction of some future result of study and analysis of available record or data is the population forecasting. The population is an important parameter that is determined of the water system of a particular design for a population expected certain design period instead of taking into consideration the present population of a area available record. Means whenever we have to calculate the population forecasting populations. Mathematical methods for forecasting, but some factors are affect population forecasting. The first one is the direction of water supply and sanitation scheme. Affecting change in populations like increase due to death or increase or decrease. Forecasting method required the value of present and past population record to means to calculate mathematical. We must know the present and past population record. The local census record of a particular area provide the value of present and past population. To calculate or to predict some future event or conditions, usually as a result of study and analysis available data. These are the factors which are responsible or which are directly affecting on the population forecasting. Population forecasting method into two subcategories. First one is the short term method and long term methods. How much population would be available for next growth rate and working on proposal without knowing what to expect could result in a waste of time is included in a short term method, and planning of long lasting population asset. Borrowing is usually a long term commitment. Growth rate accurate in the future are included in a long term methods. Combinedly, we have 7 methods to calculate the population forecasting, means mathematical methods to calculate population forecasting. The first one is the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, then decreasing rate of growth method, graphical extension method, incremental increase method, comparative method, and logistic method. These are the 7 mathematical methods which help to calculate the population forecasting. Now let us start with the first one method, arithmetic increase method. In this method is applied to areas where is found the rate of increase of population with time is a constant. Means the change in population with respect to time is the constant. This method is used for already developed cities, so that the rate in change in population is always constant with respect to time. The formula for calculating the arithmetic increase method is equal to Pn is equal to P naught plus Nx, where Pn is the population of an area after any time t, or the population after n decades. We know that the 10 years means 1 decade. Second term is the P naught is the last known population of that area, n is the number of decades, and x bar in formula we have to write the n x bar. X bar is equal to the average increase in population. Now the formula is Pn is equal to P naught plus n x bar. This is the formula for calculating, mathematical formula for calculating population forecasting. This method is based on assumption that the population is increase a constant rate. The rate of change of population with time is a constant. Now let us see how to calculate by using arithmetic progression method. The first one is the first problem. The following data is given in a table have been noted from the decades. This data is noted from the decades given in a table. Then we have to calculate probable data in year 1980, 1990 and 2000. Now already given in data is up to 1940 to 1970. Now let us draw the for solving this or in mathematical problems. Then we have to draw the table in which the first column is for the year, means it is already given data, population is already given, and increase in population mean difference between 2 years we have to calculate. We have to calculate the probable data in a year of 1980, 1990 and 2000 by using a data. Now then in table 1940 the population is given, then we have to consider 1950, 1960, 1970 respectively. Now population means 2 years, means the P2 and P1. We have to write that P2 is the population of 1950 and P1 is the population of 1940. Now difference between these two is the 4000. Then again calculate P3 minus P2 is given 1. Then again P4 minus P3 is given 1. Now the total average. Now we have to calculate the x bar. Then x bar is equal to addition of 4 ones, means the 4000, 5000 and 5500 divided by 3, means value of x bar is equal to P2 minus P1. Then x bar is equal to P3 minus P2 and x bar is equal to P4 minus P3. These are the formulas to increase in population. Now the average increase in population means the x bar is equal to the addition of 3 divided by 31, means it having a now answer is the 4833. This one is the answer. Now in a second write the years. Now we have to calculate the population of 1980, 1990 and 2080 is equal to the decade, means the given formula. Our formula is P naught plus nx bar. Pn is equal to naught plus nx bar is calculation of population 1980, means P population and n is the 1980. Then P naught is the population of last known population. So that we have to write the last known population is the 1970, means 22,500. So in a value in a formula, then 22,500 plus 1 into value of x bar. Now you know that the value of x bar is the value of small n. Now the population of 1980 we have to calculate, that is the given one. Then 1990 and 2000 by using a formula Pn is equal to P naught plus n x bar. Then this one is the first method. Now we have to calculate the second one, means we have to calculate the population forecasting by using a geometric increase method. This is the second method to calculate the population forecasting. This method is based on the assumptions that the percentage increase in population from decade remain constant. In this method, the average percentage of the population is done on the basis that the in this increase in population from decade is assumed to remain constant, first one. Then geometry means mathematical calculation. This is the formula to calculate geometric increase method. Pn is equal to P naught in bracket 1 plus small r divided by 100 bracket close raised to n. This one is the formula. Start the problem means how to calculate. This n is the raised to means n is the number of decades. We know that P naught is the population already known and Pn is the population we have to calculate. This method gives hence should be applied for a new industrial town at beginning of development for only few decades, where in a given formula assume growth rate is the percentage of population, n is the number, know that, and P naught is the last known population. These are the constant terms apply in each of population mathematical type of population forecasting. Now the problem is, if the percentage population is P and the average percentage growth is R, the population at the end on n decades will be. Now we have to calculate the population at the end of decades. Now again we have already given the year population. We had given data is 1940, 1950, 1960 and 1970. The population is already given. Then we have to calculate increase in population and percentage increase in population. Now again the same one method. Let us consider the population of 1940 is P1, then P2 for the 1950, P3 for the 1960 and P for the 1970. Then again we have to calculate the value of x1 is equal to P2 minus P1. X1 is the increase in population, then x2 is the P3 minus P2, then again x4 is the x3 is the, these are the values for increasing population given in table. The next column increase in population. Percentage increase in population means our term R by P1, but we know that the x1 is equal to P2 minus P1, so that R1 is equal to divided P1 into 100. We have to, that's why we multiplied by 100. Now the term R1, value of R1 divided by 80, 4000 is the value of x1, then the value of P1 into 100 is equal to, means the value of R1 is equal to 0%, value of R2 is 41.7% and value of R3 is the 32.4%. Now the average, we have the average. Now again adding these 3 and divided by 3, then the average value is the 41.37. That the population in 1980, 1990 and 2000. Now Again the formula is expected population in 90,000 is calculated by using our. Now P1, sorry, initial population is the P and final population is P, are given, then the formula is R is equal to n square root of the arithmetic increase method, means R small r is equal to maybe R1 plus R2 plus dash dash Rn up to Rn, addition of Rn into 1 by n, arithmetic increase method. For geometric method we have to write R is equal to R1 into R2 into R3 up to Rn. These are the, we have to calculate the next one. Now is given 2020 and 2031 numerical progression method, means calculate the population of 2021, 2031 and 2041 by using a geometrical method. Now the table is given, the 1961, 1971, 1981 the populations are already given, 1991, 2001 and 2010. We know that again the same, the population of 1961 is considered the P1 and 2011 is considered the P6. Then again calculate the value of x1. X1 is again same, P2 minus P1. Then x2 is the P3 minus P2. X3 is the P4 minus P3. X4 is equal to P5 minus P4 and x5 is equal to P6 minus P5. These are the values of increment. Then the next one is the geometrical increase rate of growth. We have to calculate the geometrical method, so that this one is the value of geometrical increase rate of growth is denoted by a R1 is equal to x1 divided by P1. Now we know the value of x1 and P1, then divide this one, then again the value is come out, that is the 0.18, then multiplied by 100, because we have to calculate in this one is the rate growth, means in a percentage, that's why the percentage is the 18%. Then first R1 value, means the first value of is the 18%, then population increase by 18%, then 18, then again 40, then 23 and then 24. These are the values of geometrical increase rate growth. Now the next one is the third method, that is the decreasing rate of growth method. This is the third mathematical method to calculate the population forecasting. When the city has some limiting saturation population and that its rate of growth is function of its population defect, it has been seen that all life grow within limit space. If the complete growth of very old city is plotted, it will be seen that the curve has S shape, which indicates that the early growth is at an increasing rate. Later, the growth is at a decreasing rate, which indicates that the saturation limit is reached. Now the rate growth shown downward trends, means the formula for calculating the rate growth is Pn is equal to Pn minus 1 in bracket 1 plus R minus n R dash divided by 100. This is the formula for calculating the decreasing rate. Now let us see the problem, how to calculate. The population of 5 decades from 1940 to 1980 are given in the table. Find out the population in decades 1990, 2000, 2010 by using decrease rate growth. Now already given, population is already given, then again draw the table for calculating the answer. Then we have to write in the first column years, then second one is the population. Again population is considered as P1, P2, P3, P4. Then increase in population means the x1 is equal to P2 minus P1, then again P3 minus P2, etc. Then again in next column is the percentage of increase in percentage increase in population. The percentage increase in population is the x1 divided by P1 into 100 is equal to 12%. Then the first x1 value is the 12%, x2 is the 16.1%, x3 is the 23.1%, and x4 is the 12.5%. We know that the 3000 means the value of x1, then 25,000 is the value of P1 into 100. This one is the formula for calculating the increase in population means R. Then decrease in the percentage, that the R dash, then this value have to calculate. Then again that decreasing calculation is calculated by then again the formula is given, then again it is the x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2, x4 minus x3, these are the values. Then again have to calculate in a given, and then the average value is the addition of these 3 means 4.1, 7.0, 10.6 divided by a 3, then the average value is the minus 0.17. This is the average value. Now the number of percent increasing in 1990, it is the 12.5 minus of minus 0.17 is equal to 12.67 is the value. Then these are the number of percentage increase in population is the R dash. Now we have to put all this value in our given formula. Pn is equal to P naught plus 1 plus R divided by 100. Then the final value is out. This is the our geometric method. Now the next one is the simple graphic method. In this method, the population of last few decades are correctly plotted to a suitable scale on the graph with respect to decades. The curve is smoothly extended to the forecast the future population. The graph of present CT is plotted from beginning and it will show the growth curve. In this method, the population of last few decades are correctly plotted to a suitable scale on graph. The population curve is smoothly extended for getting a future populations. This is very simple method. This extension should be done carefully and it requires proper experience and judgment. The best way of applying this method is to extend the curve by comparing with population curve of some other similar cities having the similar growth condition. Now the graph between the population and corresponding year is plotted based on available census data. The obtained curve is extended in the same manner to get the population of required year. In this approximate method, as the accuracy is dependent on the skill and experience of the person dragging the curve. Means for using this simple graphical method, we have to know the census data of different cities. Means if we know the growth rate of different cities and that growth rate is equivalent to be our calculating one, means if we have to calculate the growth rate of one city, and we know that it is equally grow to or comparatively growing rate of this one is the same of different ones, so that we plot the graph by using a data, and we can drag this one in the same format. Means just we have to drag accurately, but we know the accurate data or the census